Welcome to another video. Well, today a new
Featuring
prank.
Mazar.
The first time we want to prank. No,
It's
no,
the
it's the
sneeze
second
prank.
time. But that was absolutely one fail. So
Yes, it is.
it's music on. But however, we'll start the prank.
This is the sneeze prank. This is Babu. Sneeze prank. Achoo! LOL! LOL! Achoo! Prank gone wrong. वो पानी है तुम्हारे पे? पानी है तुम्हारे? That's a prank. Amazing prank.
But this was it, an absolutely
After
amazing
perfect
one,
prank.
and he was the
Special.
prankster, and that guy having him playing on PS2 all the time. So
He's
that's it.
he's so shameful that he put the cap on his face. Look at him.
So
Look at
guys,
him.
that was it, and thanks for watching.
As you know,
And
our last prank was a fail, so this time we have to just be too
yes,
much, you know.
it was awesome.
Okay.
So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel channel and Mojaro channel for checking
Link in
all
the
the videos
description.
and check all the videos available in his channel and my channel. So that's it, and I'll catch you again very soon.
I'm out.
Cheers.